Alright guys, welcome back to Maths with Gustin. I am Gustin Mapala right here at Maths with Gustin. Today we're busy with sequence and series. I'm sure you have seen the previous videos where you have seen the lesson. If you haven't seen the lesson, please click on the link at the end of this video. It will take you to the lesson of the things that you need to take note of when it comes to this chapter. For now, let's have a look at the first example. They said find the nth term. However, as we did on the previous example guys, we have to determine whether this is a arithmetic, geometric, or it is a quadratic pattern. All right, so now we will come here and say number 1, and then we've got 6 there, we also got 13 there, we also got 22 here. First we'll say 6 minus 1 will give us 5, then we've got 13 here minus 6, we've got 13 here minus 6, and we'll also do 22 22 here minus 22 minus 13, it's giving me 9, and then I also got 13 minus 6, it's also giving me 7. All right, therefore we'll say 7 minus, because we don't have a common difference, so we must keep going here guys. So it's 7 minus 5 will give us 2, and therefore 9 minus 7 giving us 2. So this here gives us the common difference and the end. And then if they want us to find the nth term guys, remember from the lesson video I have taught you something very important. I said you might remember that a plus b plus n plus c is equals to this term here, and then we have got 3a plus b, which is equals to this term right here, and then we have got 2a, which is equals to this term here. Remember guys, what I just wrote here is not there on the formula sheet, so you need to know it by heart. If it helps you, you need to cram it, and then you would know that nth term of a quadratic sequence, it is identified by n squared plus bn plus c. Okay, so we need to find what is n. We are going to start with this one right here, so it's going to be 2n or is equals to 2. Therefore you divide everything by 2, therefore you find that a is equals to 1. Okay, so you would gonna carry on moving to the next one, where you've got 3a plus b is equal to 5. Okay, can you see what I'm doing guys? I'm taking this one here, I already used this one, so I'm using the next one. But remember, we know what is a is equals to 1 plus b is equals to 5. Then you take 3 to the other side, because 3 times 1 is just equals to 3. It's going to be negative there, therefore b is equal to 2. Therefore we carry on, we use this one right here, which is going to be the last one, where a plus b plus c is equal to the first term, which is 1. So a, we already know it's 1, b, we already know is 2, therefore we are looking for c, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna come here and say 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, take 3 to the other side, therefore which leaves us with c is equals to 1 minus 3, where c is going to be give us negative 2. So therefore in this case it simply means the nth term of this pattern is going to be equal to is going to give us n is a is equals to 1. When I substitute here, or from this formula, is going to give us n squared, and therefore we know that b is equals to 2 plus bn, and then c is going to be give us negative 2. Okay, and this is our general formula guys. If you've got a question, please let me know on the comment section below. Now let's move on to number 2. Number 2, we're given 2x minus 1, and we're given x plus 7, 5x minus 5, and they are saying to us that if this is an arithmetic sequence, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so what you would do in this case, simple and straightforward. You already know that if they are saying this is an arithmetic sequence, it means that t2 minus t1 must be equal to d, which will also be equal to t3 minus t2. So okay, let's start here. This is t1, this is t2, this is t3, just to avoid any confusion. Okay, so and the first one, we've got x plus 7 minus 2x minus 1. We are saying in this case this needs to be equal to 5x minus 5 minus x minus x plus 7 rather. That's why you see I'm putting it in the bracket, guys, because we are multiplying with a negative here. In this case, you're gonna say negative times negative 2x is going to be negative 2x, negative times negative positive 1 in this case. Therefore, you're gonna continue and say the 5x minus 5 is equals to negative x times negative 1 times x, negative to negative 1. Right, great stuff. So now what we can do now is just to simplify. Let's simplify on the left hand side here. We're going to have x negative is going to be negative x plus 8 is equal to 5x minus x is going to give us 4x is going to give us again here negative 5, negative 7 is going to give us 12. Okay, so it's going to be here negative 12. Right, so now once we have this, what we can do now, we can move x to the other side and all the numbers to one side. Okay, doesn't really matter how you do it, this is just algebra, guys. So I will move this one to the other side, the other one to the other side. It's fine. So I'm going to move x this side, 8 to the other side. So we're going to have negative x, negative 4x, which is going to give us negative 12, negative 8. So in this case, we're going to have negative 5x is equal to, we are going to have here negative 20. So everything divided by negative 5 because we are looking for x, not negative 5x. So this one here is going to give us 4. Okay. And that's how you would deal with this one, guys, in terms of getting the value of x. And then b, they are saying simply here, they are saying they want us to find the first 3 terms. So what you would do, you're gonna substitute x because you already know what is x. In the space of x, you're gonna put the value of 4. So t1 will have to be equal to 8 minus 1, which is giving us 7, and therefore t2 is going to give us x. No, we said in the space of x we're putting 4 plus 7. In this case is going to give us 11, and therefore t3 is going to give us 5 times 4, which is equal to 20 minus 5, then is going to give us 15. Okay, I hope you guys are really following. And then these are the first 3 terms that they're asking us to find. And then last but not least, they want us to find the value of tn. Since this is arithmetic, this is what we are going to use as our formula to find tn. The first term, in this case, the first term is what is 7 plus n. We don't know because we are looking for the nth term. And then the common difference, I will have to go back and calculate the common difference because I didn't calculate it. Okay, so let's see now. 7, 11, and then 15. We're gonna say 11. We're going to use 11 minus 7 is giving me how much? 11 minus 7 is giving me 4. Okay, and therefore 15 minus 11 is also 4. So our common difference will be 4. Okay, right, guys. And then this is how you would deal with a question like this one. I'm receiving a call there, sorry about that. Let's continue. 7 plus 4 n minus 4. So therefore we're going to have tn as 4n minus 7 minus 4 is going to give us positive 3. Okay, and that's how you would deal with a question like this one. I am Gaston Mapala. Please let me see you on the next one where we'll be doing more examples on sequence and series. There's a lot that you can watch here on this channel, guys, as we try to grow the channel. Please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Like this video, put it on a status, share with your friends and your classmates. See you on the next one.